The world of manufacturing is evolving. Unsustainable resources are depleting, and our world needs a sustainable future.
Monash believes in the bioproduct manufacturing field because it is important to the sustainable development of our planet.
We need to be sustainable. And to be sustainable means to work with nature, not against nature.
Are you ready? Are you ready to challenge today's limitations for a better tomorrow?
So much of what we depend on right now is based on fossil fuels, and really moving over to bioproducts allows us to have a clean and green future.
What we're trying to do is to replace oil-based industry with biosource alternative.
Ready to learn, innovate, and engineer sustainable products for the future? To aid a depleting world by designing out waste.
To develop new products, really to take advantage of the bioresource of the structure, to understand the material we have with the new technology, to develop new products and to be ahead of the competition.
Are you ready to create in tandem with nature, to develop goods and services we currently depend on from renewable resources?
These can be cheaper, they can provide better material and more alternative without to be that disruptive for the environment.
To create functional materials and high-value applications that will transform the way the world manufactures.
Moving to a green economy helps us meet our commitment to the Sustainable Development Goals and the safe future of our planet.
Global warming is a reality. We can take it as a threat, but also as an opportunity for new business, and that's what we're trying to develop.
Are you ready? Ready to be a catalyst for change? A thought leader? An entrepreneur? Ready to be on the forefront of innovation? To drive your career into the biofuture industry? The world is ready. Are you?